Golf Sierra Tango, Squawk 3752, basic service outside controlled airspace.
Squawk 3752, basic service, Golf Sierra Tango.
Golf Sierra Tango, I'll clear you in very shortly, just stand by for the moment. And Golf Sierra Tango, Squawk ident and report your attitude.
Squawking ident, 2,000 feet, Golf Sierra Tango on 1024.
Golf Sierra Tango, roger, you are identified. It's a basic service outside. You are clear to enter Gatwick control zone, not above altitude 2,000 feet VFR to self-position for a visual approach, runway 26 right.
Basic service, clear to enter the control zone, not above 2,000 feet, to position for visual approach to 26 right, Golf Sierra Tango.
Director, hello again, Golf Bravo India, just levelling 1,500 feet to leave to the south VFR.
Golf Bravo, Romeo Bravo India, hello again, cleared to leave to the south, not above altitude 2,400 feet VFR.
Clear to leave to the south, not above 2,400 feet VFR, Golf Bravo India, many thanks.
No worries, where are you off to next?
Slowly back home.
Nice.
That was quite an experience.
Good. Golf Sierra Tango to radar control service now, report visual with 26 right.
Radar control service, visual with 26 right, Golf Sierra Tango.
Golf Sierra Tango, just confirm your visual with 26 right.
A firm visual with 26 right, Golf Sierra Tango.
Golf Sierra Tango, roger, cleared visual approach 26 right, contact tower 124.230.
Cleared visual 26 right, contacting tower 124.260, did you say, Golf Sierra Tango?
Negative, 124.230.
124.230, Golf Sierra Tango. Gatwick Tower, Golf Oscar Papa Sierra Tango.
Golf Oscar Papa Sierra Tango, Gatwick Tower, continue approach 26 right.
Continue approach 26 right, Golf Sierra Tango.
Golf Sierra Tango, what are your intentions after the missed approach?
Golf Sierra Tango, after missed approach, we will head towards Farnborough and then destination is to Western.
Golf Sierra Tango, roger, and if you plan it'll be not below height 400 feet on QFE 1016.
Not below 400 on 1016, Golf Sierra Tango.
Golf Sierra Tango, cleared low approach, guarantee 6 right, not below height 400 feet on QFE 1016.
Cleared low approach, go around, not below 400 feet, 1016, Golf Sierra Tango.
Tower, this is Ghost Rider requesting a flyby.
Negative, Ghost Rider. The pattern is full.
No, ma'am. This is not a good idea. Sorry, Goose, but it's time to buzz the tower.
Goddamn son of a bitch.
Great balls of fire!
Golf Sierra Tango, contact Gatwick radar 126.825.
Gatwick radar 126.825, Golf Sierra Tango, thank you. Gatwick radar, Golf Oscar Papa Sierra Tango.
Golf Oscar Papa Sierra Tango, hello again. You are cleared, is it Farnborough you're going to now?
Routing towards Farnborough and then to Western, Golf Sierra Tango.
Golf Sierra Tango, roger, cleared to leave Gatwick controlled airspace, not above altitude 2,000 feet VFR.
Cleared to leave, not above 2,000 VFR, Golf Sierra Tango. Golf Sierra Tango, just leaving your zone, request frequency change to Farnborough zone 133.440.
Golf Sierra Tango, that's approved, no traffic to effect, you squawk 7000 and QS1 read.
Squawk 7000 QS right en route, many thanks for your service, Golf Sierra Tango.